Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So it is Monday, guys, and it's around 5:05, and I'm just gonna get dinner started. Sorry about yesterday, guys. Just wasn't that great of a day. It was okay. I just was into my family and all that, and we were just doing things, and I just thought, you know what, I'll take a vacation day, and that's what I did. So I hope that's okay with you guys. So anyway, today I'm gonna make like a chicken stroganoff thing and like a mushroom cream sauce. But I have to kind of make a little bit something. I have to take out the cream sauce before I put the mushrooms in because my son doesn't like mushrooms. So I'll make a little separate sauce for him, and us will be different because we like mushrooms. And I have mushrooms, and that's what I want to do. So we're going to do that. So we're going to get onions cut up. We're going to start with onions and fresh garlic. So let's get going over this way. All right. So I have noodles that I'm going to make. I have these noodles. It'll be plenty. So we're going to cut some garlic up, and I'm going to cut up 2 onions. Let's get a knife. Why? Just sharpening the knife, guys. So, just trying to fight through the emotional stuff that I'm going through. Feeling a little bit better today. You know, it's rough, but just trying to fight through it because I have no other choice, really. So, where's my glasses? Over there. Looks like we made it. Left each other all the way to another line. Sometimes songs just come into my head and I don't know where they come from. That part's bad. Well, this is a strong onion. Sometimes you just open up an onion and you can, like, as soon as you open it, it like hits you. That's this onion. And sometimes you do onions and like they never even bother me. It's weird. Woo! This one is strong. So I'm just going to slice these like this. So the dynamic is very different in this house since Jenny's not here. It just is different. Not that it's not good, not that it's bad or anything like that. It's just different. Like, she was here yesterday. You know, you guys know. She was here Saturday until yesterday. She went home yesterday. And it's just, you know, I swear. Some things just don't never change, you know? Like she is just, Jenny is who she is and that's it. But she's a completely different person at her new home. She really is. She's completely different. When she gets in the car, her attitude completely changes and she's just, you know, she's fresh and she's sassy and she's all those things that we're used to. So it's fun. Fun but not so fun, but fun, you know. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So yeah, we had a nice weekend. It was nice. But you know, it comes with always something, but that's the way it is. That's the way life is. Anyway, right? These mushrooms are like on their way. Sliced mushrooms. They're very close to being done. All right, so I have the water up for the noodles. I'm trying to think how I'm going to do this now. Let me do something. Why do they keep putting this on here? It doesn't go on here. Alright. So I'm going to put the frying pan on. Like medium, low. Medium, really. I'm going to start making the sauce, and as I'm doing that, I'm going to cut up the chicken. So let's throw this out because this is all onion peels. I want the onion just a little bit smaller. I don't know why. I just feel like I do. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so let's put some olive oil in the pan. Fry the onions and garlic in. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that, trying to think how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to saute the onions, the mushrooms in a different frying pan, then I can just add them to the sauce after I take my son's sauce out. You know what I mean? I think that's what I'm going to do. Dale, you found Randall. Alright guys, so let's put the onions and garlic in. Oh Jesus. Spilling things. If I wasn't spilling things, it wouldn't be Create with Linda. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this pan on in the back there so I can get the mushrooms going in here. Salt our mixture here. And pepper. Let's get some garlic powder. So I didn't know what I wanted to make today. I don't know. Me and hubby were watching the Great Food Truck race, and they had so much good food on there. I was like, every 5 seconds, I was like, I want that, I want this, I want that. And somebody made this mushroom kind of cream sauce, and it was like, ooh. I thought to myself, that sounds yummy. And I have chicken in there. I have chicken. I have mushrooms. So that appealed to me. I think I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil in here, and I'm going to put some garlic too. I'll cut up a couple pieces of garlic, put it in there as well. They're becoming nice and soft. This is how I want them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add I'm going to show you. I'm going to add some water, okay? Add some water. There's like 2 cups of water here. Get out of here, you goddamn flies. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some bouillon. How's that? Probably about a good 2 tablespoons probably. Got to be careful with the salt because, you know, it has a lot of salt in it. Now I'm doing that because I'm going to put a can of gravy in here, but I only have 1 can. I might have another can, but I don't think I'm going to use it anyway. I'm just going to put 1 can of gravy in to make it like a stroganoff type of thing. And then I'm going to put a little bit of half and half in it and a little bit of sour cream to make it like a creamy sauce. But like I said, first I'm gonna make the sauce first before I put the mushrooms in it because I don't want my son doesn't like mushrooms, and so yeah. Put some seasonings on this, some onion powder. I'm going to put a little bit of more onion powder in here because I went a little easy the first time. Some garlic powder. I'm also gonna put a little butter in the mushrooms. All right. Now I'm gonna put the gravy in. I might end up putting a slurry in here, you know, of cornstarch and water just to get it a little bit thick. But I'll see. I don't know. It might not need it. It might not need it with the gravy. But I'm gonna be adding, like I said, I'm gonna be adding some sour cream and some half and half in here. I don't have any heavy cream, but I want a little bit of some sort of a cream in here. So I'll definitely do the little bit of half and half. So I'm not going to add any more salt to this because I don't want it. I want to taste it first before I add any more salt because I have to make sure that it's not too salty. So these are sauteing nicely. Got to let this come to like a boil. And then we'll taste it. Oh, I gotta cut the chicken up. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Let's cut the chicken. Oopsie daisy. Ah. Everything comes smashing out. How typical. Yeah, I should have did the chicken first, because like where am I gonna put the chicken now? I'm gonna have to put the chicken in with the mushrooms maybe? I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I'll figure it out. I want the chicken fairly small, guys. I want it in chunks. Unlike when I made the chicken fajitas, they were in strips. These are going to be in chunks. So, not huge chunks, but not tiny chunks, you know, just chunks. I think what I'll do is I'll let the mushroom finish sauteing, and then I'll put the chicken there I'll put the chicken in the pan that the mushrooms are in. Jesus. Sometimes I feel like I can't talk. So, it's a nice day here in upstate New York. It's supposed to rain. I think we're supposed to get some thunderstorms. It's a little hot. We have our air on. You know, it's July. So, that's what it is. Alright, the mushrooms I'm going to take out. God darn it. Guys, would there ever be a time where I won't drop something? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Alright, let's put the mushrooms in here. Those look so yummy. I'm trying to think what I'm going to do here. All right. I literally just stepped on the piece of chicken. I just literally stepped on it. The piece that I dropped. Bill, where are you? What are you doing? Oh, he's so quiet. All right. Okay, I put some olive oil in that pan. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist these around. Ooh. Ow. Yeah, because that's like... Actually, I'm going to just shut that sauce off right now. I'm going to shut the sauce off right now. Actually, I'll put it on this burner here, on the middle burner, just to cook it low and slow. And I'm going to cut one more piece of chicken up, guys. So, I don't know what's going on with me. I feel like I can literally be bored and anxious at the same time and restless at the same time. The last couple of days, I don't know. I mean, it happens once in a while and it's starting to happen, but I feel like I can't sit still, but yet I'm bored. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, let me wash my hands. I think that's enough chicken. I'll check it out and see. If I need more, I'll put more chicken in there. I'm a disaster. I'll probably put a little more chicken because my son is eating too, and my husband. And I just want to make sure I have enough. guys. Comment down below what you guys are having for dinner tonight. I love to hear what you guys are having. Alright, now I gotta wash my hands again. So hubby's doing okay. He's got a few prospects, and I'm not gonna say yet exactly because he's not really sure yet, but just praying for something to come up soon. I tell him, he's been stressing out. I told him don't stress out too much, but he's definitely stressing out. But it's normal, worries and all that. Stinks, guys. It really stinks. But you just gotta have faith and pray that God is gonna take you where you need to go. And what else are you supposed to do? Really, what else are you supposed to do? Alright, onion powder. You gotta season your meat, guys. Garlic powder. I want to see the consistency of this. Yeah, I think that's a nice consistency, but I'm going to put, like I said, I'm going to put a little sour cream and cream in there. So, it'll be creamy. Salt. And some pepper. That nice and grilled, nice and sauteed. I gotta watch the flame over here, because see the flame's open here. And I put my hand there a couple times, and it doesn't feel that great. Alright, let's salt this water, and then we will put the noodles in. I don't have the box, so I'm not sure how long, but I'll just put it in I'll do like 8 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Starting now.
And then we'll check it out. We'll see how long. I see how they're doing. I gotta let Cooper in. 1 minute, Cooper, back. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. He's always trying to get his nose into something. Alright, so let me get the cream and sour cream and do that sauce a little bit. Let's switch it now. Let's switch it. Let's put this over here. Cooper! Oh, he's eating the pizza off of the table. Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Did he get a piece? No. He doesn't miss a trick, guys. He does not miss a trick. If there's something somewhere and he can get to it, he gets to it. No. That's not a good boy. Go inside with Daddy. That's not a good boy. Go. Move it. He's trying to get the pizza. Alright, we're going to lower this. We're going to put this. I'm going to put this over here on this frickin' flame now. because that flame ain't gonna cut it. Alright, let's lower this. Let me get some sour cream and some half and half. I don't know why I got Barry Manilow in my head. Why am I singing Barry Manilow? Alright. So I'm just doing like an eyeballing type of thing. Probably like a half a cup. I'll have to get my husband more half and half because I'm using some of his half and half for his coffee. Give that a good mix. And I haven't tasted it yet, but I will. I have to. You always got to try to taste your food, guys, because then you know, sometimes I do. I have to be honest. Sometimes I cook a whole meal, and I'm like, oh, I didn't even taste it, you know. And then I might have to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more whatever. But that's okay. As long as you taste it before it goes on the table. So I'm going to shut the chicken off now because I don't want the chicken to overcook. Because, yeah, you know, it's chicken breast. And chicken breast overcooks. You might as well just, you know, throw it in the garbage. All right. All right, guys, the noodles are done. I'm going to taste the sauce, the gravy. I didn't put sour cream in it yet. I think I might put that in last. All right. I gotta do one thing. I'm gonna add a little citrus in it because it tastes a little salty to me. I shouldn't, I guess, you know, too much of the bouillon maybe. That's all right. Some sour cream in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the flame now. So that the sour cream doesn't curdle. And I'm going to throw the chicken in here with all that olive oil and garlic and everything. All that flavor. Give this a mix. I decided I'm not going to put the mushrooms in. I'm just going to leave them separate, and then we'll just put them in on our dish. I just don't feel like separating everything. Let's see. Let's season the noodles. I also want to put a little butter in the noodles and a little grated cheese, some salt and pepper. Let me get more butter. And we'll put some grated cheese. See, that's why you gotta go easy on the, you gotta be careful with the bouillon because you just don't know. Yeah, so I always put some grated cheese on my noodles and butter. Just like it, it's a good combination. And then I'll put the sauce over it. And it will be yum. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this light on a minute. Sorry about that. I just need to see. Just get the butter incorporated in there. Let's taste it. Pretty good. It's amazing how that citrus takes that saltiness right out. It really does. And you really don't taste the citrus. Like a little tiny, you taste a little drop of it, like a hint of it, but it's not like really strong where you say, ooh, that's citrus in there. You really don't, but it just takes the saltiness right out because it balances, because the sweet, the citrus just balances out the saltiness. Thank God, because, yeah. It saved me a few times already, citrus. So look at that, guys, like a beef, well, you can't really see it, can you? A beef, like stroganoff, yummo. Butter's still melting in there. And like I said, I would put the mushrooms in it, but my son isn't a mushroom fan. So let's taste this and see if it needs anything. That's really good. Garlicky, creamy. Very yummy. Needs more pepper. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more sour cream. Just a little bit. I definitely think I could use more sour cream. Yeah, that's the ticket, guys, right there. See that? That's the ticket. There we go, guys. One other thing it's missing. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Where is it, where is it, where is it? Guys, I made homemade pizza last night. Yes, I know. I should have videoed it. I've videoed it before, you know, I've done my homemade pizza before with my Walmart crust. But it really came delicious. It really did. But I like I said, I just needed some time to myself. I just felt like I couldn't just function on camera. I don't know. Sometimes I get like that. You know, I love coming on with you guys. I love chatting. I love showing you everything. I really do. But I just listen to my brain. When my brain says, you know, Linda, you need a little bit of a break. Because, you know, I where'd that got fussy knife go? No, I don't have to use that. I can't use this. When my brain tells me I have to shut down, I have to shut down because, you know, I have depression and you just gotta listen to you just gotta listen to your mind sometimes. All right, so this is basil and parsley. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of that in for extra flavor. And then it's dinner time. This is right from my garden, guys. Love it. Love it. All right, let's bring, I can't forget the mushrooms because that's something I would do. That's definitely something I would do. I'd make the mushrooms and we'd eat and I'd be like, Bill, we didn't eat the mushrooms. That's just something I would do. Let's get... Now this meal here, guys, really is economical. I mean, the noodles are cheap. The noodles will have like $1.25, $1.30 maybe. And the chicken, I still had chicken left over. It was from a package of chicken, a large package of chicken breast that I already used on another dish. So it's really, it's probably an under $10, well, probably $12. It depends. It's really a fairly budget meal. And, you know, you could use any kind of meat in here if you want. Chicken thighs, chicken breast, and, I don't know, chicken tenders, whatever. Sausage, maybe. All right, let's test it. I don't see any of the parsley and basil in there. Really good. Oh, you definitely taste that basil and that parsley. You might not be able to see it, but I'll tell you, you can taste it. I'm gonna put a little bit more in. I love going out to my garden, guys. Oh, guys, I really want to show you. I gotta bring these out there, show you my tomato plants. Oh, my tomatoes are huge. All I gotta do now is turn red. That's all I gotta do. I got cherry tomatoes. I got plum tomatoes. I got big, huge tomatoes. Like, I'm not even kidding, they're huge. So all I'm waiting for now is for them to turn red. I'm so mad about my string beans because I had string beans and I picked all the string beans, and then yesterday, the day before, I went out there and picked the rest of them. So I'm waiting for the rest of them to start coming out. And I see the little buds, but those string beans are amazing, guys. Amazing. Today I made the rest of them. I just put them in a little frying pan with a little bit of water. I cleaned them good. I put them in a little frying pan with a little water. Let them like boil for a few minutes, and then I put butter in there and a little garlic, and oh my God, I let them saute. So amazing. I ate the whole thing. I'm telling you, I love them. I absolutely love them. They're so flavorful. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right on top. All right, dinner. Dinner bell ringing. There's the dinner bell. There it is, guys. I know I have issues. Yes, I do. Let's just put a little more grated cheese on it. And the thing with the sleeve, guys, is when you taste it, when you're tasting all along. Like, I'm gonna sit down and I'm really not even hungry. I'm not even hungry. I'm not even kidding. I'll have a little bit, and then later I'll have some more. That's how it works with the sleeve, guys. That's just how it works. You see? That's how it works. So yeah, my tomatoes are huge. I just can't wait till they start turning red. Is he sleeping?
Kind of.
Oh. Yeah, I'm really excited about my tomatoes. Julie was here yesterday. She's like, "Oh my God, Mom, I can't wait for the tomatoes." I said, "I know. There's gonna be a lot of them because the plants are like really, really plentiful, really plentiful." So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna make our plates and then I'll come back and show you guys. All right, guys, so here is my plate. The mushrooms look so yummy. I like them like on top like that. So good. Like I said, guys, a budget cheap meal. Really, you can make this with elbows. You can make this with spaghetti. You know, it really is a very budget free, you know, budget friendly meal. And we got a budget now, guys. Budget. So yeah, so this is what we're having. Again, thank you so much to everybody for the thank yous and everybody for watching and subscribing. Everybody I'm thanking. I love all of yous. I appreciate all of your appreciation. It just means the world to Bill and I, and we love you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because when you subscribe, it really does help my channel grow, and I so appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to hit the notification button with that bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Like and share and comment down below. And thank you so much for always sticking with me when I have some bad days, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you coming back and watching and hanging out and, you know, getting a notice from me saying I'm not going to be posting today. You know, I appreciate you sticking around. I really do. I love you guys. So don't forget, guys, I love when you come in. I lost my whole train of thought. Thank you so much for coming into my kitchen with me and creating in my home, guys. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video. All right, let's taste this. I want to taste the mushrooms first before we go. Oh my God. All I want is the mushrooms. I'm gonna take some more. I can't relate to people who don't like mushrooms. My son doesn't like mushrooms. So yummy. A little salt on the mushrooms. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.